Hey guys, so today we have the Hoverstar 2.0. It's not an RC, but it is an MC, motion controlled, so there's no remote needed. It says it has an indestructible hexagon shell, so we'll see about that. It comes with the UFO, the instructions, and a USB charger. So it says the charging time's around 35 to 45 minutes. And the runtime, you'll get about 5 to 7 minutes, depending on how you fly it. We already charged it for you guys, so let's fly. So to turn it on, you just hold this button right here until you see the lights. And then place it in your palm. Supposedly just do this.
Oh wow.
This is impossible.
You trying to make it do a flip?
Yeah, it says to do this. Alright, so to make it go up, put your hands like this. Oh, okay, hold on. Or you just put your hand under.
Oh wow.
Get it.
Ooh, jeez. All right. Oh wow. Go get it.
It's upside down.
Oh. So the key is to flip it upside down to stop it?
Yeah, you catch it and do this.
Gotcha. Oh! Oh! Oh wow. Here, see if you can pass it to me. I mean, it works pretty good. Oh wow. There you go.
Okay, guys, so this is a pretty cool Hoverstar motion controlled Hoverstar UFO, I guess you could call it. It's pretty fun. Like if it's like cold outside and you need to come indoors, it's a fun thing to play with. It's really safe because the blades are completely inside and like it's soft and like really if it hits anything it just shuts off. Like watch. So I guess it avoids objects, so if it's going too close, it'll try and avoid it, so that's good as well. It's hard to control, but I mean, it's fun all around, and if it goes too high, it'll eventually come down to you. Okay, I thought this would be pretty funny, but let's just see if it will do it upside down. Well, it does. This has been another video with RC for All. Consider subscribing and make sure you smash that like button. We'll see you in the next one. MC controlled restart.